live cartridge in Robert Ford's gun.
Eject that cartridge belt and throw it down on the ground. Cartridges and nails and blocks of soft wood.
19 cartridges were recovered.
He removes one of the spent cartridges.
Cartridge.
Shoots its own 9mm cartridge.
Quite unique, as you'll see, it also fires a shotgun
After scrounging a few cartridges out of the local controller.
Campaign hat, cartridge, belt,
How many
weapon.
cartridges?
More cartridges, Tom! For all!
Expected that in some future performance he might present himself to a live cartridge in Robert Ford's gun.
Murder! Throw those keys over here. Eject that cartridge belt and throw it down on the ground. Get back!
Thanks for the meat. Drop your cartridge belt.
It took some doing. And you know what I used? Cartridges and nails and blocks of soft wood. Then I took the 2 cylinders and I put them in the bows.
Master stateroom. Got blood on the deck. 19 cartridges were recovered.
Down there, sir. On the ground.
As well as the
He removes one of the spent cartridges, which he disposes of.
Cartridge.
I picked this up this year. Shoots its own 9mm cartridge. But you gotta load it slide back with a stripper. Nothing.
Familiar with? And this is our standard issue pistol. It's quite unique, as you'll see. It also fires a shotgun cartridge for use in messy, close-range situations.
My dear Torquil, I have a tip that'll improve your own shooting. After scrounging a few cartridges out of the local controller, find a sitting rabbit. Take aim.
Ashkain.
Maggio, get ready for guard. Campaign hat, cartridge, belt, and weapon. Report to the artillery room in 10 minutes.
What? We shy some cartridges, flour, and a mite of salt.
How many cartridges?
This side of 100.
Flour?
1 sack. Got more cartridges, Tom? For all of them. Just Niles.
So you really should take better care of this equipment. At least get a maintenance cartridge and dust off the heads.
Talk to me right now.
No. I'm sorry. Besides, cartridges cost money. Some of us haven't got much of that to spend. It's a poor life on the move.
You got any horses or money to buy them? You ain't even got money for cartridges. Jorgensen's offering you a good living here.
You find a street gang that slings tetrazine?
Industrial printer cartridge, $14.99 back in the day.
Give me the mount, will you? Here you go.
Thank you.
Shoot one of your own people to show that you're not one of them. They've just freshened it up a bit with blank cartridges.
Remove the subsonic inlets before you can reconfigure the thermalized plasma cartridges.
That's great. Why don't you put that thing down and help me?
And for assignments, I hope.
No, of course not.
I am sorry I allowed even cartridge pens into this school. Always the easy way out these days.
Guns of the same model and caliber is different. Each one leaves its own markings on the cartridge casing. Now look at these fine stripes.
Finger on the trigger guard. Eject those cartridges. Lay them out around the leg. Stand back.
Demonstrate this. Assume the musket has just been fired. 1, reach into cartridge box and withdraw cartridge. 2, place cartridge between teeth.
Disintegrated on impact. 1 recovered cartridge casing.
Yeah, you forgot to take the cartridge case, didn't you? You got sloppy.
Eject pattern consistent with murder weapon used in on-site.
Helicopter remnants, blood, no bodies though, right? They get fingerprints off the cartridge cases. First set positively ID'd as Bob Lee
Slice at the top of the mast. So if she gets into trouble, the CO2 cartridge is triggered by the capsizing event, shoots up the mast and inflates the buoyancy bag at
the beginnings of brain asphyxia.
What about the scrubbers on the command module?
They take square cartridges. The ones on the limb are round.
Tell me this isn't the government.
Like that, you move the catches to the side. If you do, the cartridge will explode in your face. Now, to stop the cartridge exploding,